Today we're talking about revision mode in Scrivener 3 for Windows. What is revision mode? Well, it's a mode where you can see marked text where revisions have been made. So it would probably be something that you might use if you were doing a collaboration or working with an editor. This option can be found under the Format menu, and as you can see, you can choose what revision level you're doing and assign a different color to it. When you tap onto one of these, you're asked if you want to enter revision mode, because from then on, everything you do will be tracked. Obviously, you can also deselect this by clicking on None. So as soon as you select this mode, everything new you type will be in the revision color. If you change something, that will also be highlighted in the color, but you won't see what the original was, you'll just see the change. No, this isn't like track changes in Microsoft Word. It's not as sophisticated as that. For this reason, you might want to use this in conjunction with snapshots, which can compare two versions of a document. I'll link to a video on that at the end. In the menu, you also have a couple of options for removing revisions. Just removing the current revision color, which I guess assumes you've done more than one revision and left it all on the screen, which would make for a very colourful manuscript. Or removing all revisions. If you want to change the colours, you can do this under File, Options, Editing Revisions. However, the manual does warn that if you are using this with someone else and their settings are different, you can get inconsistencies. So be sure to sort that out first. Some things to note. If you change your revision color default in the options halfway through, the text you've already changed will not be considered a revision, so you'll have to remove the color manually. If you want to mark something as revision text after the fact, highlight it, go to Format, Revision Mode, and you'll see a new option, Mark Revised. You can also search on revision colors by using the Find by Formatting option under the Edit menu, which I guess would be useful if you only had minor changes, or you wanted to make sure all revisions had been looked at and dealt with. Next time we'll be talking about getting rid of the clutter for editing.